everyone, it's Donatella and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing these new phone cases that I recently got. I got 5 of them. There's 2 in here. And I bought them all on the Wish app. So I've heard like a lot of people say like you can find good things or like things that are like kind of cheap, but recently I've been finding like a lot of like good things for like a super cheap price. So I got all of these phone cases for like about $1 or $2, and I'll put the links down below to exactly where I bought them. And also, if you haven't seen, I've done another video before about unboxing phone cases of cute anime ones like Totoro and this cute Japanese kitty, or like also K-pop ones like a GOT7 phone case that I use a lot. So let's open these up, and these are also like really cute and hope you guys like them. Well, I'll open them one by one. I'll open this one first. Okay, so this first one is of Ken Kaneki from the anime Tokyo Ghoul. That is so cool. It's plastic material. It's pretty thin. And these are all for my phone, iPhone 7 Plus. And I'll also show you guys how it looks like on my phone. So that's pretty cool. And if you guys haven't seen, I've done an unboxing of the figurine. I'll put all of those links down below for you guys to see my other videos. So let's see how it looks like on my phone. So here's how the Tokyo Ghoul phone case looks like on my phone. Again, Kaneki, it's kind of dark and hard to see clearly, and it's pretty thin. Like if you drop your phone a lot, it's not going to be that protective on your phone. Like you could kind of see, if I could do closer up, my camera is like out of the case. So say if my phone lands on its back, my camera might crack, but I mean it's pretty cool and I do like it. I'm careful with my phone. So if you're careful with your phone, it's really cool and a nice phone case. But if you're not, if you drop your phone a lot, maybe this isn't the best phone case for you. So the second phone case that I got is K-pop related, and it's also plastic, and it has these gold on the edges to like protect your phone more. And it is of, if you guys know the K-pop artist GDragon from the group BIGBANG, and it's like glossy, and it's like his brand, the piece -1. And it's so cool. If you guys haven't seen, they were like one of my first videos that I posted of little concert videos when I went to see him in San Jose last summer. So let's see this on my phone. So now the GDragon phone case, again, like you could see that it's like reflective, but it's really cool, and I feel like it will protect my phone. I don't know if you can see it all. It's really nice and I do like it. You can see up close, and I feel like the gold on the edges will help protect your phone. I really do like it, and it's pretty sturdy. I won't drop my phone, it's not slippery, and yeah, I really like this phone case. Besides, So this next phone case that I got is this clear plastic. It's pretty sturdy. Glitter phone case. I've always wanted a glitter phone case. I just love glitter. And if you could see up close, there's little stars. Oh, that's so cute. It's really cool, and I'll also show you guys how it looks like on my phone. And I believe this was like the gold tone. So yeah, it's really cool, and I don't know if you guys could tell with the sun and how it shines. Ooh, so here's the glittered phone case. It looks really cool, if you could see. And it has a nice shine to it. Let me show you guys more in the light. And the phone case is protective. I feel like it's pretty good for the price. And definitely to have a screen protector, but other than that, I feel like it's pretty good shape and sturdy, so it'll protect your phone. One thing about this phone case, it was actually a little difficult to take off my phone, but other than that, it's really, really cute. So this one had two, and these are also Korean. This is of Ryan, the cute lion, Korean, and it's from, if you guys don't know, Kakao Friends. And this is pretty sturdy for like a rubber phone case. Like, I feel like it's gonna be protective. And I have a lot of different rubber phone cases, like one of no face. So there's this one, it's so cute, and I'll show you guys how it looks like. Oh my god, I love this phone case. It's so cute. Look at Ryan. Oh my god, I love this phone case. It looks really cute on my phone, and it's pretty sturdy. I know protect my phone, both the front and back, the camera, and my front screen, and it's just so adorable. Look at him. Definitely, if you love this kind of phone case, you should buy it. It's really cute, and it's not too bulky, because I know some like rubber phone cases are kind of like bulky to hold, but this doesn't really do any of that. And the second little character that I got, also from the same of the Kakao Friends. Apeach is so cute. And it's also the same like rubber material as Ryan. Now the one of Apeach, it's also just like the phone case Ryan. It's thin, it's protective, and it's just really, really cute. I love it so much. And I know there's different kinds, like different designs of these characters, and I just love them so much. Definitely worth it. Cute. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. It means a lot to me, and be on the lookout for other videos. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I hope you guys enjoy these phone cases and also my other phone case unboxing video, so go check that out. Sequin.